starts smoking.
What's up, fellas? Today we're gonna talk the perfect trailer. But before we get started, man, I want to give a shout out and a thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks for tuning in, man, and welcome to Boneyard Lawn Service. Hit the thumbs up, man, on the video, and if you ain't subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell. So we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna talk the perfect trailer today. So this right here is my first trailer, and you can see I got a bounce house on it. I rent out bounce houses on the side, and this right here is just a 5x10 trailer, single axle. See, it's only got one wheel on it. And my first setup, that's actually what it looks like right there. And I got this, still kept it, man. I kept it thing, and it's been in my storage for a while, and I was like, what the thing's just sitting there. I need to make some money. This is my first trailer right here. Nothing big. Just a 5x10. My second trailer, as you can see right there, that was my second trailer. And this right here is my third trailer. And with this trailer, double axle tandem trailer. Feel me? And I'm able to put the 52 and the 61 on there, no problem. On this, I couldn't even get the 61 on her. I could get the 52, or I could get my 48-inch Ferris on her. I couldn't get the 61 on her if I just had to run it by itself. And I ended up getting hit, and I'll put a link in the video where you can see where I talked about when I got hit and I had to get this trailer right here. But this is my other trailer. See, I got a little bend right there. Hit a curb one day and bent that up. And this is it. You see with this thing, I got a side gate right here. So right here is where I keep the 21-inch Honda. And when I need to, just go to these, flip these up right here, and that's how I get to my Honda. So then I got the Rackham's on here. Rackham's able to hold my two trimmers and my battery powered Toro head pole saw. I'm about to say heads trimmers. I got some heads trimmers, but this is what my second one came like, man. So got locks up here to lock these in. And one day, man, when I first got this trailer, I used to have a Husqvarna 525L, and I had the Husqvarna, man, and it was sitting right here. And I come around the corner, hit a bump. Next thing I know, the dang Husqvarna, man, falls down into like a hollow, man. I lost the Husqvarna that day, all because I was lazy and didn't want to put my locks on. I had my locks on, but I had some little shorter ones, and they wasn't locked all the way. So when I come around the curb, I hit the curb and bounce. Those things fly straight out. Flew straight out. I ended up losing that one. And I'm losing my Husqvarna 525. And this right here was just hanging down. This one right here, it was just hanging down. I almost lost both of them that day. And it was no recovering the Husqvarna, man. It was over for it. But you can see, I could fit the 52 on there and 61, no problem. Now, I wonder if I had stand behinds, would I be able to fit 3? If I had maybe two small stand behinds, would I be able to put those things to the side and park them? Or would I be able to put them back to back? Just a little thing I was wondering, man. So, you guys see the trailer, man? And it's crazy. My other trailer got hit, man. I used to have that truck you seen at first in the picture, and that trailer got hit and totaled out. And when that trailer got hit and totaled out, somebody smacked it from the back. It didn't have the Rackham's, and the guy ended up building me the same trailer. He just put the Rackham's on there for me, and I appreciate him for that, because love those things. So, but I'm thinking about put me a Defender rack right here. Defender rack, or the I can't think of the other brand. It's the green version everybody has. Defender rack or one of those. Which one you guys think would be best for my to put my backpack blower? I really would like to put that thing right here. Put my backpack blower maybe right here. Put me something right there where I could put right here where I could put a spool, where I can put my trimmer string, you know, add some of that. And I can even put me a toolbox right here. So once I get the toolbox right here, the Defender rack, and my spool for my trimmer string, to me that's almost a perfect trailer. But you guys let me know what you think. You leave your comments down there and let me know what you think the perfect trailer setup is, guys. Because I mean, to me it's really no way to go. Even if you didn't have a trailer, you could just throw your stuff right in the back of the truck, push more, right in the back of the truck with the trimmer, right in the back of the truck with your backpack blower. So, and even have your spray back there and your gas. See, everything can fit in the back of the truck if you really want to work. If you really want to do it, you could be pushing. You could push it till you know, get to the next level. I started off with the 5x10, 48 inch, and actually just a 48 inch. I ended up buying the Honda later on. So I ended up buying this thing a little later. I just came with the 48 inch at first. So that's all I had. I had the 48 inch. I had me one trimmer. I had a little small Husqvarna backplate blower to go with my 525 trimmer. And that's how I started, man. I didn't have this truck. My other truck got hit from the back with the trailer on it. My trailer and truck got totaled at the same time, and had to get this truck. I didn't even want this truck, but I had to get it. At the time, I mean, it was the best deal, and all the prices that went up on trucks. So you guys let me know what you think, man, about what's the best trailer. And when my trailer got hit, I said I'll never sell another trailer. Just had to find somewhere to store it like that one. So you see, this thing's coming handy now. So what do you guys think, man? I'm out of here. I'll holler at you in the next one. You guys stay cool, stay hydrated, man, and leave your comments. What you think is the best trailer setup? How's your trailer set up? What'd you start with? What you working with now? And give you some suggestions. So I'll holler at you guys later, man. Boneyard Lawn Service. Thanks for subscribing, all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel.
Start smoking.